And it's all about sitting it the loudest you can get it, baby. Come on in.
Bring it on down here, Larry. Right here for the Hot Rod and Happy Hour Trail. Right up here. Come on. Bring it on down. Come on down. Come on down.
Okay. He's got 30 seconds. 30 seconds to let it go. Let's hear it, baby. Okay, pull it on through, Larry. Okay, Larry, pull it through. Come on up, baby. Come on up. All right. My man, what's your name? Cole. My man, Cole, y'all. All right, Cole. Let's hear it, baby. Little bit, come on. Keep coming forward. All right. What's your name? My man James is in the building, y'all. My man James is in the building. All right, James. Let's hear it.
7,200 RPMs right there, guys. Let's hear it for James. Come on.
Yeah. All right. Walk it through, James. Walk it through, baby.
7,200 RPMs right there.
Come on, bring it on up.
Foxbody.
Here's what we're gonna do. We are going to give him minus 2 points, y'all. He's starting off in the hole, y'all. I'm sorry. He's starting off in the hole, baby. This is Foxtober, man! All right. What's your name?
Josh.
Hey, this is Josh. My man Josh, y'all. He minus 2 points. Let's hear it. What y'all think, y'all? What y'all think?
What do y'all think?
It was
Josh, we're sorry, buddy. You just got the boot.
points.
All right. Next one coming on up, baby.
You just got the boot, man. You need to go put in the Smokies.
Get him out of here, y'all. Get him out of here. All right, come on up.
Oh, watch your leg. Watch your leg.
Oh, yeah.
We got a little bit of fender exhaust here. You don't want to get burnt.
Okay.
He gonna learn how to firewall in this thing.
What's your name, man?
Chase.
Hey, y'all. This is Chase, and I'm gonna tell y'all something. He has a turbo, so I'm gonna get my big ass out the way.
Y'all watch out over here just in case you shoot some flames.
Yeah, please. Back up, y'all.
He's standing up the listen right now.
All right, he got side exit. All right, Chase. Let's hear it, baby.
How many pounds of boost was that?
About 11.
About 11.
All right, hey, sorry, but Chase, I'm sorry, y'all.
Let it go.
Thank you, Chase. All right. Come on, kids. What's your name, man? Chris. Okay,
I'm sitting here watching
man, Chris.
right here.
My man Chris, yo. All right. It's on you, Chris.
Sounded nasty.
Oh, wow.
7,700 RPMs.
Hey,
I'm with you. It kind of rattled my eardrum a little bit.
yeah.
Come on down.
That's going to be hard to beat.
That is going to be hard to beat. Come on, fella. Come on. There you go.
All right.
Well, I tell you what, you got a hard one
My
going.
man, what's your name?
Foxbody D.
My man Foxbody D is in the building, y'all. Foxbody D is for you, baby. It's on you.
Around 6,800 RPMs on that one. I tell you what.
Hey, we're going to give him Foxbody D.
Yeah, let's hear it,
Yeah. All right, walk it through, baby. Walk it through. All right, we got another 5-0. Yo, my man, what's your name?
Dustin.
This is Dustin, y'all. Dustin is in the building. It's on you, babies. Let's hit it. Nice.
That sounded good.
Yes, that sounded good. Yo, hey, I got thumbs up, y'all. Walk it through.
That was a full exhaustion on that one. I tell you what, that was a full exhaustion. That sounded good. I was excited. That still sounded good.
Wow. Come on up. Don't bring your ass, man. All right. Okay, hold on. What's your name, man?
James.
Hey, my man James is in the building, yo. James, let's hear it, baby. Yes, sir. He gives it 2 thumbs up for me. Yes, sir.
He was calling out the 7,000 around there a few times.
Come on over here, man. Don't be scared.
And most of the people coming up have names with J.
Jay Boogie, what's your name, man? Okay, my man is named Dominic. Dominic is in the building, yo. All right, Dominic, it's on you, baby. Let's hear it.
right around 63.
Yeah. We get your 2 thumbs up, y'all. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, there's a lot of good.
All right. We'll get through.
There's a lot of good competitors.
Alright, let's go, Tom.
All right, bring it through. Blue over, get your ass out the way, man.
Come on forward. Come on forward.
All right.
There you go.
Okay, my man. What's your name?
Tom.
This is Tom, y'all. Tom is in the building.
Man, I tell you what, he has one hell of a dash in this thing.
Yeah, Tom, it's on you, baby. Hey.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Later. Okay, Tom. Hey, you know what? It sounded good. It sounded good at first, y'all. What do y'all got? Thumbs up? Okay, thumbs up. Hey, Tom. Yeah. My man, Tom, baby. Walk it through. My man.
He came all the way from Pennsylvania.
Whoosh. Baby. Okay, come on in. Come on in. Come on up. Come on. Don't be scared.
I hear a little
All right.
supercharger under there.
All right. My man, what's your name?
Supercharger.
My man John is in the building, y'all. My man John is in the building. Let's hear it, baby.
I tell you what, I don't know small blocks that can hold 9 grand. But I'm telling you, he put it there. I watched it with my own eyes. 9,000 RPMs that thing hit. Shoot about a 2-foot flame out of both exhausts.
Yo, this one here is special, y'all. This one here is very, very special. I have just been told by Jen, okay? What happened to my mic? Come here, Jen. Yo, if you have not met or seen Jen, this is her right here. Foxtoberfest. Give it up, y'all. Give it up. Woo! And let me hear you say, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Okay, Jim, you just told me that this card is coming up is special. Would you like to tell us all?
I would, but I think maybe he left. But that is, I don't know, he turned around, I'm not sure where he went. But that is Mark Schlitzkus. He won Foxtoberfest 2021 Best in Show. His car is on all of your shirts.
Yeah! Put them hands together, y'all. Put them hands together, y'all. One time. Put them together, y'all. Put them together. Alright. Well, he chickened out, so I need to get the final two contestants. They need to go head to head. It was
Mr. 9,000 RPM.
him, and the other gentleman, his side exhaust. Chris. I need both of them cars up here side by side.
Chris and John, bring your cars around. Chris and John, bring your cars around.
Bring them around, y'all. Chris and John, get so up here. While we wait on Chris and John, if you're having a good time, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. Let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah. And give me one time, hell yeah. Okay, who's the loudest? Over here. Let me hear you say, hell yeah. Okay, I gotta go to this side over here. Let me hear you say, hell yeah. Damn, I gotta go over here. Okay, I gotta go here. Over here, let's see. Hell yeah. Oh, they kicking y'all ass over here. Okay, here we go. One more time. Hell yeah. Oh, shit, you know what? Y'all both get thumbs up. Thumbs up, both of y'all. Thumbs up for both of y'all. I got you. Yo, those two cars, Chris and John, bring your asses.
It is turbocharged. It's a turbo versus a pro-charged car. Oh, he's rolling through.
Okay, hold on, y'all. We got our special guest in the building. Our special guest in the building. Come on.
All right, everyone that won the show last year.
All right. I've been told that you are special. What's your name, man? Mark. This is Mark, and he is a big influence on Foxtoberfest. Mark, let's hear that thing, baby. Good job back here. Get in, Mark.
Come on down through. Come on.
Everybody, you gonna turn around down there, yo. Turn around and face this way.
Come on down. Come on.
Oh, I made him go.
Bring it. Come on.
Okay, this is how we gonna do this, y'all. We have judges, but guess what? You guys out in the audience are going to be my third eye. You dig? If you understand what I'm talking about, crowd participation, will be judged right here. So I'm gonna need y'all crowd participation into it right now, y'all. Okay, who's gonna go first? Because these guys were a tie. We had a tie.
Hey, Chris, let's do the smell test.
Would you like to go first or second?
It don't matter.
Okay, he's going first. Okay, that was simple. Let's do the best 2 out of 3. Okay.
2 out of 3, you guys down? He says he's in, you in? He says he got a $10 bill on you.
Okay,
You want to put some money?
Let's put some money.
$10, $10. Let's get it on.
So, hold on, I gotta make sure I know his name, y'all. Okay, this is John. John is going first. He's got 30 seconds to do the best he can. And then he's gonna cut his car off, and then my man gets to go.
Make sure
There
you
we
go
go.
from behind because that thing shoots flames.
All right, John. Oh, you're good. You got time, baby.
Everybody get your marshmallows ready.
Yeah. Okay. John, you got 30 seconds. Let's hear it, baby. Okay, y'all. Hey, this is fire, y'all. Okay.
Watch yourself right over here.
Yo.
Watch yourself.
Hey, back up. Okay, all right, here's what I know.
Let's see the motor.
Yeah, round 1. Here's 2 out of 3. It's round 1.
Which one smells better?
It's the best 2 out of 3. It's the best 2 out of 3. Wow. Okay, John. This is for a big hit. 10 whopping dollars. Okay, John. It's the best 2 out of 3, baby. Let's go.
Get him, C-Note.
Right around 10,000 RPMs. All right. Holy cow. Okay.
That little small block was twisted out the frame.
All right. Here we go.
He was at $10.
All right. Here we go.
Right here. Watch
Here we
out,
go.
watch out, watch out.
Gas money.
Round 2, y'all. Okay, y'all.
I don't know about y'all, but that car shook the ground.
Man.
Has to be.
Now that, I tell you what, that airplane coming over, them windows rattled in that airplane when it come over top.
You know what? Because you guys are having so much fun, we got a tie. It's 1-1. It's 1-1. This is a tiebreaker
Or was it?
right now.
If you was on that day, you
It's on you.
You would feel it, bro. You know it's here.
Okay.
It over here.
He done
Here we go. It's on you.
came at 10,000 RPMs just a minute ago. I'll tell you what, how much does that small block got in it?
That just sounds like a vacuum opening and closing.
Yeah.
Sound through the whole thing, that sound. This sound better.
He's running mufflers. Chris got open pipe. They should have took a 5 minute break.
All right, y'all.
Boy, I know that's all I was thinking.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You up, baby. You up. Oh, man.
Man, I'll tell you what, I know we have a hard time, but I know you guys are going to even have a harder time judging this one, I tell you.
All right, Chris. This is it right here.
He says he ain't scared.
All right, Chris.
I know one thing, we have a full exhaust over here, we have bullhorns over here. I tell you what, he has a full exhaust, he has bullhorns. I'm telling you, they're both loud. Very dang respectable loud.
All right, let me tell you. Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on.
7,700 RPMs? I think I'm hoarse already.
This is what we're going to do. Because both of these guys are winners. I have $100 for him, and I have $100 for him.
I'll tell you what, guys.
The sad thing was, there was no stipulations on it.
If you had a good time, let me hear you say, hell yeah!
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. 2022 Foxtoberfest, baby! Come see me. I got $100 for him, and I got $100 for him. That's how we're gonna end that tonight, y'all. I hear you guys.
Let's give everybody a big round of applause. I'm hoarse. Oh, I'm telling you now. That was awesome. If this was any part of what we have to look for tomorrow or next year, it's going to be insane.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Hey, if you had a good time tonight, okay? Tonight, let me hear you say, hell yeah. Come on, y'all. And y'all sexy voice. Hell yeah. Okay, over here. And y'all sexy voice, y'all. Hell yeah. Y'all crazy. Okay.
All right, guys.
And y'all sexy voice on this side over here. Let me hear you say, hell yeah. Oh, y'all crazy up here.
Make sure tonight when y'all go post some stuff, you hashtag, not hell yeah, but Foxtoberfest 2022. It is on like Donkey Kong, guys. I'll tell you what, this has been a heck of a Friday night. I want to say, since this has started, this has been the funnest Friday night we've had yet. What do you guys think? I'll tell you what, this is one hell of a kickoff party.
Okay. Last but not least, y'all, we want to give another round of applause to Jen who put all this together for Foxtoberfest, y'all. Jen, where you at, man? That's what I'm talking about. And DJ, you did a heck of a job. What's your name? Kobe. And my man Kobe is in the building. Kobe was in the building on the Wheels of Steel, y'all.